In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix couldn't connect Bluetooth errors in Windows 11. If your Bluetooth headphones, speakers, mouse, or keyboard keep failing to connect, this walkthrough will help you troubleshoot the most common causes step by step. Stay by your computer and follow along as we go through each fix. First, let's confirm that Bluetooth is actually turned on and ready to use. On your Windows 11 taskbar, look to the bottom right for the Quick Settings area, where you usually see the Wi-Fi and volume icons. Click there to open the Quick Settings panel and check if the Bluetooth icon is highlighted. If it isn't, click it once to turn it on. If you don't see the icon at all, you may need to customize your Quick Settings by clicking the small pencil or edit button and adding Bluetooth to the list. Next, open the full Bluetooth settings so we can manage devices properly. Click Start, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, go to Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure the main Bluetooth switch at the top is turned on. If it already is, try toggling it off, waiting a few seconds, and then turning it back on. This simple reset can sometimes clear minor glitches. Now, check the device you're trying to connect. Make sure it has enough battery and that it's in pairing mode. Many devices have a dedicated Bluetooth button you hold down until a light starts flashing. If you're not sure how to do this, refer to the manual or a quick search for your specific model. Then come back to this step. Back on your PC, in the Bluetooth and Devices section, click the button to add a device. Then choose Bluetooth. Wait for Windows to search for nearby devices. When your device appears in the list, click it and follow any prompts. Give it a little time. Sometimes it takes several seconds to finish pairing. If Windows says it couldn't connect, remove any old entries for that device. In the Bluetooth and Devices list, find the device name, click the three dots next to it, and select Remove Device. Then try pairing again from scratch. If you're still having trouble, restart your computer and power your Bluetooth device off and back on. After the restart, repeat the pairing steps. A fresh start often clears background issues that interfere with connections. Work through these steps slowly and carefully, and in most cases, your Bluetooth device should finally connect successfully on Windows 11.